Hello guys, we are going to see the various injections used in the dialysis unit. These all are the injections used in the dialysis unit. The very first injection is the heparin. This is the heparin 25,000 international unit. Okay. What is the use of this injection? This prevents the clotting of the blood. Then second one is the NS. When we have to use the NS is sodium chloride. In case of hypotension, we have to use this injection. Then comes dextrose 25%. This can be useful in case of hypoglycemia. What is hypoglycemia? That is low blood sugar level. Then lidocaine or xylocaine. This is the local anesthetic agent. Okay. When we have to perform any surgery or we have to give some stitches, then insertion of cannula, then doctors may apply this xylocaine to that site. Then comes darbepoetin and erythropoietin. In case of anemia, that is low hemoglobin level, we have to use this injection in dialysis patient as per the doctor's prescription. Then ondansetron, that is MSET. This is the MSET. In case of vomiting, we will use this injection, that is ondansetron, or we also call it as MSET. Then here it is the paracetamol injection. When the patient is having fever, doctors may recommend the paracetamol injection. Then this is the Avil. It is also called as phenaramine maleate. We can give the Avil in case of allergic reactions. Then this is the iron sucrose injection. If the iron level is too low, doctors will recommend iron sucrose injection, and the dose will vary as per the patient condition. Then this is the calcium gluconate. The very common word, cramps. Many dialysis patients complains about the cramps. Then what we have to do is give this injection by diluting with the NS, 100 ml NS. That is a calcium gluconate. In case of cramps, severe cramps, give this injection. Then pantoprazole. What is the use of this injection? If there is a acidity, gastroesophageal reflux, then we will use this injection in that patient, pantoprazole. Then this is the hydrocortisone. This is the steroid we have to use in case of emergency or any pain, any allergy, because this is the steroid. Then leucarnitine. Many of us don't know about the leucarnitine. This is the leucarnitine injection. What is the carnitine? Carnitine is the protein in our body which transfer the fatty acids to the mitochondria, and mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell which generates the energy. That's why this injection is necessary in dialysis patient. It reduces the severity of cramps. It is also called as Carnisure or Lacarnit. Then this is the sodium bicarbonate injection. What is the use of this? In case of metabolic acidosis, we have to use this injection, sodium bicarbonate. Then heparin sodium topical solution. This is Flebotrol QPS. Okay, we have to apply this on the fistula side. It prevents the clotting of the blood and it softens the fistula sites, pricking site. So these all are the medications or injections used in the dialysis unit. Thank you.